Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically create a before and after video edit on CapCut PC. So for instance, the before is like a black and white picture and the after isn't. So I'm just going to show you guys, like, you can add in like the filter here. Actually, yeah, maybe like make it like a black and white picture, and like maybe it's blurry as well. I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to do that. It can be like any before and after picture, by the way. It doesn't have to be this, but or like a video. Sorry, not, it doesn't have to necessarily be a picture. It can also be a video. So we have this, right? And we're going to simply select everything, right click, create compound clip, and we're going to add the after picture on top, well, like the after video. You're going to mark where you want the video transition to be. Go to mask and select split and split it this way. And you're going to start from here. So you're going to add a keyframe from the beginning of like the clip, for instance, or the picture. And then you're going to slide it to the right, and then you're going to move this. Oh, actually it's the other way around, my bad. Hold on. Let me rotate it this way first. Sorry. And have it like that, and then add a keyframe at the beginning, and then kind of look at the end of the clip. You're going to want to drag this to the other side, and it's going to create a keyframe, so it has like this before and after effect. Like so. If you want it to be faster, just make sure the keyframes are closer to each other. But if you want it to be slower, make sure it's not that close to each other. You can move it around, so don't worry about that. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!